It's not just a department, but an abode of grace, where wisdom blooms in every space. Today you meet another gem, Professor Nasreen, her brilliance like a guiding flame will leave an impact, a lasting name. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, आई एम फाइन, हाउ आर यू?
Alhamdulillah, ma'am, good. Ma'am, you are one of the senior teacher of this Department of Education. You have more than 30 years of research experience, 28 PhDs, 4 books, 59 articles, research paper, and so on. Ma'am, could you please share something more about your journey?
Yes, I have joined Aligarh Muslim University in 1990
1990.
when I entered in MPhil, Master of Philosophy. It was in fashion that time. Now it has been stopped, but MPhil was compulsory before entering the PhD.
Okay, ma'am.
So I admitted in MPhil course, and I have qualified UGC JRF exam also.
Mashallah.
So I was a recipient of this junior research fellowship. Later on it was converted to senior research fellowship. Then I came to the department and appointed as lecturer in 1995. So following after that in 1996 I have been appointed as a permanent lecturer, and then in 2004 as a reader, 2007 as an associate professor, and
Mashallah.
2010 as a professor, and in 2019 to 2021 I was chairman of this department.
Very
also.
nice, very nice. Ma'am, it has been found that many students after doing B.Ed, M.Ed from our Department of Education, and they are doing excellent around the world. So what's your opinion about the specialty of the courses from AMU like B.Ed and M.Ed?
Yes, definitely these two courses, teachers training courses, B.Ed and M.Ed, that we include in teacher education program, are having potential to develop teaching skills among the students. And in our department we try our best to develop such kind of qualities in our students that they can face the interview very well.
Okay.
In this department there is placement cell also.
Okay.
And I am in charge of this cell. We always organize these kind of workshops and lecture by the resource persons also, in order to make our students expert in such kind of skills, and they can face the interview in a very well manner. So our efforts in this direction are always best, and we are always trying to make our students good teachers as far as we can do.
Mashallah. Ma'am, what is your teaching philosophy? How do you make class creative in the best teaching way?
Yes, my philosophy of teaching is that I want to see the masters learners,
Okay.
the learner, those who are perfect in learning. So I always put my teaching efforts in such a way that the student can understand more. Instead of remembering it, instead of memorizing the concept, it is better that he could be able to understand the content.
Ji.
And you know that if they will be able to understand, they can apply it to the outer world, and they can adjust themselves in the social environment also. And this kind of learning is always be retain the mind forever. So my efforts and my teaching of philosophy is to make the perfect learner, masters learners you can say, and always I am trying to put my best efforts to make and to achieve such kind of objectives, that my learners could be able to understand my content, and the methodology I always selected that is easy for the students.
Ma'am, you have a long journey of teachings. What do you think that there is a role of education to promote gender equality?
Yes, it's a good question. That you know that if we are teaching, if we are educating girl child, it means we are educating a family.
Yes, ma'am.
And you must know that men and women both are having equal kind of potential, and you must observe that girl students are doing well in each and every field. So no doubt we are able to achieve the gender equality in present scenario, but still there is gap, because the students, those who are from rural area specifically, they are not able to achieve this objective, that the gender equality be achieved by 2030. We are going to achieve this by sustainable development goals also, but the scenario is needed our efforts, and the mentality of the social members, and those who are not having positive attitude towards education, they are needed to orient, and education is only the tool that can convert this equality, and that can convert the mentality of the parents, that the education for girls is really very
important.
essential,
Yes, ma'am.
because without that, without empowering the girl child, we can't be able to see the clean India, or we can say enriched India. We can't say, because both hands are equal
Important.
needed for any kind of progress of the nation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have been awarded by various fellowships and successfully, alhamdulillah, you have achieved your goal of life. So what advice you want to give to my viewers regarding the way of success?
Yes, my always I have been put my hard work for this, and I consider that hard work, sincerity and punctuality, these are the hallmarks to achieve any target. So without putting your efforts and without involving wholeheartedly in learning, it is not possible to achieve the objectives of success. For that, I give this message to my students that never consider any obstacle, any kind of challenge like a hindrance, but try to solve the problem by developing the problem solving skills. And as I told you, that the three stems, strong stems, are very essential to get the success, like hard work, and pay your sincerity for any work, and be punctual. These are the three strong pillars to get success in your life.
Ma'am, have you ever faced any challenge as you are the women professor?
No. I have always tried to make a balance between family and my career also.
Good.
So no doubt, the extra work, the kind of sacrifice, somewhere compromise. So these all are needed to make the life happier. But go continuously and consistently, so you can do this work easily. So my motto for career was that I have always tried to do my best, and doing these all, I have make a balance between these two poles also, that is family and career.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving such a valuable time to us. Thank you, ma'am.